This is a really exciting video for me because I am introducing to you my makeup cosmetics line that I've just brought out. So keep watching and I'll show you all of them. So my fringe just gets really annoying when I'm trying to do my makeup or trying to cleanse my skin, so I brought out my makeup headband, which is great for keeping that fringe out of the way or just your hair back when doing your makeup. So for the first product, I brought out my Illuminating Lotion, which is called Diamonds, and this is amazing to give you a really beautiful illuminating glow, which makes the skin look super healthy. So you can use it underneath foundation, or you can mix it like I am here in my foundation to give you that really nice illuminating base look. So next up is my matte bronzer called Malibu. I absolutely love this shade so much. It suits all skin tones, and I love to use it underneath the cheekbones, around the hairline, under the jaw, and also on the neck, and it really helps to give you that bronze look. So next up is my other bronzer called Laguna. This is a limited edition mineral bronzer that gives a sun-kissed glow to the skin, so really great for more your medium to dark skins. Comes with a little brush, and here's them together. So here is definitely a favourite amongst everyone. This is the gel eyeliner called Black Caviar. It's really amazing to put on the waterline, on the tight line like you see me doing here. It's like the blackest pigment you can find and it stays really well. And here is the dual sharpener for it. I love French Silk Glow Highlight Powder, which is this tone here. It gives a beautiful sheen on the top of the cheekbones, down the middle of the nose, on the cupid's bow, and this is the limited edition one also. Here is my other glow highlight powder called Champagne. It's a beautiful soft gold, so perfect for those medium skin tones. So last but not least, this is my setting spray. So this helps to keep your makeup flawless and gorgeous and prevents melting, fading, and makeup setting into fine lines. So these are all the products. I hope you love them as much as I do.